Hello guys, what's up? I'm back again for another tutorial video. In this video, I will gonna show you how you can view your phone's information such as your phone RAM, CPU, model, and more. So if you are curious about your phone specs, then this is the right video for you. I will properly teach you on how to view it. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to view your phone's all information, you will need to download a certain app first. And to download that app, first go to Play Store. Once you are in Play Store, search this. After searching, now tap this. So this is the app that you need to download to see your phone's information. Just tap it, and then install the app. Once you've finished installing the app, now go and open it. Once you've opened the app, your phone's all information will automatically appear. As you can see, my phone's information showed after opening it. If you want to see your other specs such as RAM and internal storage, just tap this. Here you will be able to see your phone's brand, RAM, and internal storage. So that's how you do it guys, it's easy right? So that concludes our tutorial for this video guys. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. I will try to solve it. So that's all guys, thanks for watching, goodbye.